Are you just entering the job market in your country?
Do you want to find a job, but don't know where to begin?
Do you want to learn the necessary skills to help you find and apply for a job?
Or maybe you already have a job, but want to find a different one?
If you answered yes to any or all of these questions, then this course is designed especially for you.
Welcome to English for Career Development, a 5-unit course which will help you through the different steps of the job application process.
This course is designed for high beginner to low intermediate English language learners. Language teaching, readings, games, and assessments are adapted to your English level. You do not need to have previous work experience or have already gone through the job application process. We will guide you through the necessary steps during this course. If you have a higher level of English, we have some more difficult activities for you to do.
In each unit, we will focus on a different step of the job application process. We'll begin with entering the job market. We'll then move on to writing a resume. Next, we'll focus on the cover letter. Following this, we'll discuss networking. Finally, we'll cover the job interviewing process. We hope you will join us on this new and rewarding learning experience. We'll try to make the experience fun by giving you some games and exercises to complete along the way. You will also have opportunities to connect with other online learners from around the world.
My name is Robin Turner, and I'm a Senior Language Specialist at the University of Pennsylvania's English Language Programs. I have a BA in English and a Master's in TESOL.
And my name is Brian McManus, and I am a Language Specialist at the University of Pennsylvania's English Language Programs. I have a BA in Film and Theatre Studies and a Master's in TESOL.
Throughout both of our careers, we've helped students with the job application process. We've been on both sides of the application process, as interviewers and job applicants. We're really excited to be able to help you too. So welcome, and let's get started.